workouts, and helpful advice. Add this video to your favorites. It will guide you when you train. Next exercise, high knee march plus kick. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, try slowing down the pace. Do not bend or curve your back. To keep straight, look forward at a fixed point in front of you and then tighten your abs. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, squat plus rear lunges. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, bend your legs less. Don't exceed the tip of your foot with your knee during the lunges and squats. Don't touch the floor with the knee of the back leg during lunges. Keep your abs and butt constantly tight to stabilize the spine and prevent injuries. Don't bend or curve your back by keeping your abs constantly tight. Slowly perform the movements to maximize effectiveness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, high knee run plus power crunch. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, do not jump. Don't arc your back. Keep your abs tight. Avoid violent impact with the floor during the descent. In order to do this, always land on your toes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, wall squat. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, try bending less the legs. Do not shift your body weight onto the tips of your feet. To do this, the force should be placed onto the heels. Keep your head and back perfectly adherent to the wall during the exercise. Do not rotate your legs inward or outward. The knees should be in line with the feet. The knees should not exceed the tips of the feet during the descent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, squat plus leg rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't do it, don't do squats. Simply raise your foot inward. Make sure not to exceed your toes with your knees during descent. Don't arc your back. Keep your abdomen constantly tight. Don't turn your knees inwards or outwards. Always keep them in line with your feet. Don't bend your head. Stare at a fixed point in front of you to help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, burpees. 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't, do not jump. Be sure to control the movement when you stretch the body, keeping the abdominals tight. Do not bend your arms while jumping. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, side lunges with ankle touch. 3, 2, 1, go. If you cannot do it, try slowing down the pace. Be sure not to curve your back during the movement. Don't pass the line of your toes with your knees during the descent. Don't lift your heel during the lunge. Your foot must always be firmly on the floor. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Three, 2, 1, go. Next exercise, push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, rest your knees on the ground. Do not bend your back or lift your pelvis too high. Your head, shoulders, and hips should all be aligned. To be able to do this, constantly maintain your abdominals and glutes tight. Do not strain your neck by trying to look forward. Always stare at a fixed point on the floor. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, pulse donkey kicks with leg at 90 degrees. 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't do it, try smoothly raising and lowering the leg, creating a wider movement. Be sure not to curve your back during the movement. Keep your foot flexed and your leg at 90 degrees for optimal muscle work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Don't turn your hips laterally. Your back must always be very straight. Don't lift your head. Your neck should be in line with your back. Try staring at a fixed point on the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Next exercise, push-ups with rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't, rest your knees on the ground while performing the push-up. Do not bend or curve your back during the exercise. To be able to do this, maintain your abdomen constantly tight. Be sure not only to rotate the torso, the shoulders and pelvis will move at the same time, and the arm should be extended while it's being lifted. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, back elongation. 3, 2, 1. Go. Don't bend or curve your back. Keep your torso parallel to the ground. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Don't rotate the pelvis to avoid decreasing the effectiveness of the exercise. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, triangle plus high plank. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you are unable to complete this movement, try resting your knees on the ground. Don't bend or curve your back. Keep your abs constantly tight. Do not bend the neck. Your head should always be in line with your back. Stare at a fixed point on the floor to help you. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, alternated power crunch. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try keeping your feet flat on the floor. Do not bend your head. Stare at a fixed point in front of you. Keep your abs tight to avoid moving the upper body and to avoid burdening your back. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, full crunch. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you can't, try keeping your legs bent, but place your feet firmly on the ground. Be sure never to lift the lower back off the floor to avoid back problems. To be able to correctly do this, constantly maintain the abdominal muscles tight. To avoid straining the neck, keep your eyes on your belly button. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Three, 2, 1. Go. Next exercise, stretching arms, chest, and shoulders. Go. Be sure not to bend your back. Try staring at a point in front of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, stretching shoulders. Go. Don't pull your arm too fast. Try a constant movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Don't apply excessive force to the shoulder. Stop before you feel pain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, stretching hamstrings. Go. Don't bend your legs throughout the workout to maintain its effectiveness. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.